Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a sprite jump. So first get a win space or up arrow, you can pick any, up arrow pressed, then go to motion, get change Y by, and then change it to just leave it to 10, and then go to this one where it says repeat until touching sprite 2, which is the platform. Go get a second block and then change that to 0.3, I think. And yeah, let's test it out. Yep, it's perfect. Now let's make it climb ladders. For the next episode, I'll be teaching you how to make it climb ladders. Bye bye.